Hi everyone, my name is Shiva Pakuri and I'm delighted to welcome you to this demo video where we will explore the Microsoft Entra ID verifiable credentials. In the next few minutes, I'll be your guide explaining what Entra ID is all about and how it's transforming the way we manage our digital identities and credentials. Basically, Entra ID is really at the forefront of digital identity solutions, providing secure and verifiable credentials that empower both individuals and organizations. In today's digital world, the need for reliable and trustworthy identity verification is more crucial than ever. Entra ID addresses this challenge by offering a seamless and effective way to manage the verifiable credentials in various different contexts, be it from education to healthcare, for employee verification management, and everything. So, having said that, I will jump right into the demo, which I'll give you a little bit of background, what it is, and how I'm running it. We have our own Azure AD tenant and enabled the verifiable credentials authentication with a trusted domain. And I'm using a sample of a .NET application provided by Microsoft to really try and test out both the issuing of verifiable credentials and verification of those verifiable credentials. So let's jump right into it, where first I will try to log in with my valid credentials, which is sivapokuri@cotelegent.onmicrosoft.com, and I enter my password. This is the typical authentication. So I logged in with my email address. Now I'm going to jump into a point where I have to generate my verifiable credentials and create a wallet in my mobile authenticator app. So I clicked on get credentials and this displays a QR code that has a PIN verification to it. So when I scan it through my mobile authenticator app, it gives me an option to say enter the verifiable credentials, and I entered it and clicked on add. So this basically created a wallet for my credentials in Microsoft Authenticator app. This actually gives the issuance of my verifiable credentials, and in these verifiable credentials in my wallet I have incorporated three claims. One is my email address and another one is my first name and the last name. So now let's jump into the verification of the issuance of credentials. Whatever the credentials that we just issued to my account, we will try and verify those credentials. So now here I will go click on the verifiable credentials, and this is for my verification purpose. So I go to my mobile authenticator app and click on scan button on the top right corner, and this gives me to share my verifiable credentials claims to that particular application. Now I clicked on share button, and this actually receives my credentials where it says I logged in. Okay, so that is basically how an issuance and verification of verifiable credentials can be done from the end user perspective. You can basically go with whatever the application you wanted to enable the verifiable credentials without any explicit username and password. Once the wallet is issued, the verifiable credentials is issued for the user, whatever the application that supports that authentication mechanism, you could really leverage the digital identity to get into the application. Or be it whatever the scenarios. There are definitely endless scenarios to leverage the verifiable credentials. So that is the end of the demo. And Entra ID is definitely a game changer in the realm of digital identity management, where you are an individual looking to showcase your skills, or an organization seeking to reliable identity verification solution. Entra ID has it all covered. And thank you for watching the video. If you would like to more, if you would like to really learn more, or see how it can be adapted to your use cases, feel free to reach me at shiva.pokuri@techdemocracy.com.